Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show to you on how to make your bottle gourd fruits quickly. So this fall I decided to plant more bottle gourd, and this time different shape. So what I do is that when they are just starting to climb or not even having vines starting like this height, all you have to do is just find the very tip and then just pinch it or cut it, and then it will going to stimulate to produce flowers and then fruit. So I have one here as well. It's still really short. Here it is. So what I'm gonna do, if you have, for example, just start to grow, just pinch the tip already. Just gonna cut this tip like that, and we'll tell the plant that it's already turned or time to bring on the female flowers. So I have one here too. It's just starting to climb, and I already, just can see, I already decided to cut the very tip, so you will see that it starts to make new vines already. So this is what gonna happen to your bottle gourd plant. When you remove the tip immediately, it will going to grow much faster and produce flowers in a quick amount of time, especially if, for example, you're planting in the end of the season, fall, or you don't want your bottle gourd to fruit in winter because you live in an area that has some cold or snow. It's a better way or technique to use if you want to fasten up to produce your bottle gourds with fruits and flowers as well. So I have here has lots of fruit, so hopefully it will develop into mature fruit. So there you go, guys. That's how to stimulate your bottle gourd to produce more fruits and flowers for you. So I have here, they already start to make another vines. So here it is. And if you have another way that you can share also, please comment down below. I would love to hear from you. So as you can see, I already cut the tip of this, so it starts to make vines to give way for the female flowers.